Tukiajira mohoro maitu tukwajira na ciigie uteti kuria muthenya umwe tu thutha wa mbuto ya mung'ethaniro gutharikirwo ni nyanake na kwagagio mucemanio-ini wa mwena wa Kisii. Atongoria ya amung'ethaniro aria ni hamwe nao na munini wa mutongoria wa kiama kia Jubilee Fred Matiang'i, Rigathi wa DCP o hamwe na Kalonzo Musyoka wa Wiper ni morotete thirikari na maramurika minister wa ugitiri makiuga thayo wa honge cia ugitiri guikiririo honge aria maragitira kana makoro makigitira mishamanio yothe ya uteti.
We are here because we want to interact with Kenyans and wananchi of this part of the country, and also to give hope and assurance to our people, both here and at large in the nation, that we are determined and ready to work together to bring about the necessary change to our country. In doing so, we don't have personal grudges with people. We are basically doing what we have to do. We chose democracy as a people, multi-party democracy. What that means is that everyone has an opportunity to engage, and everyone has an opportunity to participate and persuade people along political lines. Let's ask our leaders. Political differences are fine. We don't have to agree all the time. And when we do not agree, let us execute them with a measure of decency. We don't have to kill people. We don't have to send people and so on.
Among the people we are fighting for, our police officers, please don't allow yourself to be misused and break the law, because when the time comes, you'll be on your own. Our officers must be guided by 4 documents as they perform their duties.
One message is clear: Kenyans have decided you are a one-term president. The desperation we are seeing, wewe kujaribu kutumia polisi, kutumia wahuni, no amount of tear gas or bullets or rogue police officers or goons that you are hiring will save you from the verdict of the Kenyan people.
We are working with every human rights organization to make sure that justice is served. Hayo tutaongea juu ya hayo, tutaongea tukienda mbele, na pia tutasema hatutaruhusu Ruto auze kila shirika la umma.
Taraisha